Hi everyone, this creek behind me looks pretty difficult to fish, if I'm honest. I honestly really haven't even gotten a very good look at it, other than this nice looking pool right here that looks like it might have some fish. And then there's this, so it basically just disappears into the boulders and the downed trees, and yeah, should be interesting. Okay, got the Dragontail FoxFire on here with a 7-foot line, and I'll put a picture of the kebari on here, the fly that I'm using. I don't even know how to access this creek. Let's see. Maybe I'll go down over this way. This looks as good a spot as any to start fishing. Cross your fingers for me. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was a tiny fish. That thing was like just a couple inches long. So there are fish in here. Good. Nothing on the second cast. Let's try this kind of calm area on the far side. Nope. Ooh, that's a nice looking spot. Over there. Let's go under the log. I got the fly stuck on here already. All right, let's do a bow and arrow cast. Nothing? There we go. I was dragging the fly across the surface because I thought there has to be a fish in there. That looks too good. And this is a brook trout. See ya, buddy. All right. Good, good. Let's keep going. Is there even Fishable Creek right here? Or is it all boulders? I don't know. What a cool spot. Yeah, this is effectively just a boulder-choked gully that happens to have a creek running through it. Fish on! Yes! Finally got a second fish out of here. Looks like another little brook trout. See ya, buddy. Fish on! Right at the tail end of that pool. Nice. See ya, buddy. It's another brook trout. Yeah, this creek is more boulder than creek. Fish. Oh, was that a fish? I guess not. Oh, okay. There is a fish in there. Or is there? I don't know what to believe anymore. Okay, yes. Thought I was going crazy. Looks like the fly is out. It's a brook trout. See you, buddy. Looks like the creek is leveling out a little bit. It's a little bit less deep going forward. Back in here, I mean, there was a lot of actual climbing over boulders and over trees. But it's looking like it's mellowing out a little bit. Still a ton of rocks though. There aren't as many fish in here as I thought there would be. I'm kind of, struggling a little bit. Oh, there we go. Oh, darn it. Man, that fish was ready. It took the fly as soon as it hit the water. That was cool. And then it shot off to the side. Wow, just like that. Like, the noise of this section of creek is such a stark contrast to the flatness and quiet of this side. And I mean, there's a clear dividing line right here. Okay, I'm gonna need something longer than a 7-foot line here. I don't think 7 feet is gonna cut it, even with a zoom rod. Yeah, I'm gonna put a 9-foot line on here. Well, I'm having to take cover here for a little bit. It's raining quite a bit. I don't know if you can really see that, but there's a lot of rain, and it's sunny. Huh. The sun came out right as it started raining. Where are all the fish? I feel like there should be more fish in here than what I'm seeing and catching. There we go. Oh, I didn't set the hook very hard on that one because I didn't want to yank the fly into oblivion into the trees here. And I also wasn't 100% sure that was a fish, or that a fish actually had it, but darn it. Can I get a second chance? It would appear not. Oh, yes! At the last minute, this guy came out of nowhere. Good, it's been a while since I've caught a fish. Once I exited that really bouldery portion, I feel like things have slowed down. See you, buddy. Good, I've got my confidence back. Let's catch some more. Got him. Okay, we're back. Oh no. Sorry, I'm eating. I'm eating a snack. Yeah, I'm eating these things that I picked up at the store recently called Fruze balls. And I've branched out and picked up a couple other flavors. These are the chocolate hazelnut. These are the best ones. They're just these little, like, little energy ball things. They're not amazing, but they're decent. They're good to eat on the run, on the move. Not a sponsor, by the way. Oh no. As it starts to rain again, I get the fly stuck again. And the fly is gone. Okay, let's tie on another one. Okay, I feel like fishing something a bit more flashy. I really want to catch the attention of these fish. So this is a silver holographic tinsel body with a red spot and white hackle. Any takers? I can see that white in there pretty well. I feel like this video is a tale of two creeks. I mean, this bears no resemblance to that creek where we started. That boulder-choked little gorge. And then we've got rain and then sun and then rain again. And yet the fishing is still just not great. There we go. Oh, come on. Ah, that one hurt. That one hurt. There we go. Let's land this guy. Got him. Okay, finally, we got another one. Yeah, slow going on this creek. I mean, it's a beautiful spot, and I'm having fun, but I'm a little bit puzzled by this creek. Anyway, let's catch some more. Oh, next cast. Okay, this is what I like to see. This one's bigger. Nice fish. Yes. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Look at that. Nice brook trout. Beautiful. And just like that, it looks like we're we're back in the boulders. Odd Creek. Oh, fish on. Whoa! And I slipped. And the fish came off. Oh, I think I just saw a fish rise right here. Yep, got him. Got him. Whew. See ya, buddy. That's a nice fish. Beautiful brook trout. Anything over here? Yes. Okay. I just felt another drop or two, so we're gonna hurry it up here. Gonna catch one more fish. See ya, buddy. I've been watching over here. I saw a couple of fish rise. I don't know if I can approach them stealthily enough. That seems to be my big problem here today, but I'll give it a try. Oh! No, 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 no. Stay out of the bushes. Stay out of the branches. Where'd you go? Okay. Oh man. Tough creek. Don't know why it was so tough. Really fun though. Unique fishing. This is fish number 10. I think that's a good place to call it. It's starting to rain again, and it's getting a little bit chilly. So let's let this guy go and get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for staying with me here as I fished this creek. Had a great time, even if it was a little bit frustrating at times. And I don't know if you can see back in here, there's a beautiful meadow area below some mountains, and that's something I'll have to fish in the future when it's not raining on me. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.